And now let us see what is there in SEO and how the things are working on. And let us explore the SEO part of the Google search engine. Okay, that's great. Okay, so one thing is, you might be all knowing how to do the Google search, how to do the searches in Google. And when it comes to search engine, it is not only the Google. We have a lot of search engines. For an example, we have Google, and we have Baiju from Chinese version. And apart from this, we have Yahoo search, and we have MSN search, and there are a lot of other searches. But of course, the highest searches happens in Google, and next to Google, it happens in a search engine called Baiju. Baiju is a Chinese version of search engine. That means people usually used to search in Chinese language there. And where the optimizations, even if you implement, it will be only for the people who are there in the China, right? So we will explore the search engine results, how the Google will produce as a result. So 70% of the global searches happens in Google. Okay, so 70% of the searches happens in Google. And we all know that when we are going to search for something, Google will produce a lot of result for us, right? We might be already familiar with few of the results, like it will show some map results, it will show some information results, and it will be showing some advertisements and some organic results. Okay, so we will be seeing all those factors, and we will be coming to understand how these things are working on. Okay, when it comes to Google algorithm. Okay, the first thing is I'm going to search in Google. Okay, so before I'm searching, I can take any one of your segments, any one of your industry segments, or any one of your industries, so that we can explore in such a way that it will be beneficial for real time people. Okay, so if you want me to search for some particular industry, like for an example, right now, whom we have, if it is suppose like website development in India, people who are looking for website development. In that case, we can able to explore in all the elements of how the ranking is happening for those keywords. So if you have any other suggestions for your business, you can let me know, so that we will be searching based on that. So suppose let us consider there are few customers for you. So how they will be searching for your company in Google search? You can let me, or you can give your options. Suppose if you have any idea about how your customers will be searching in Google, what keywords that they will be using. Okay, so sorry. I think some network issue. I think I had logged off. Okay, you can let me know. So how your customers will be reaching you through Google? If you have some keywords, just let me know. You can text me in chat. Otherwise, you can unmute your mic and you can say to me.
Like, hello.
Hi, Samir.
Yeah, in my case, like people search for golf products in India or golf shops in India. GOLF,
Okay.
golf shops
Hmm.
in India.
Okay, then that's great. Let me to search for the same. Okay, so when I'm going to search for the golf products in India, right? So I'm happy to see that there are some advertisements going on even this time. It's good news, because most of the industries I will not be usually have the option to see the advertisements. Might be due to this corona effect or something. They are not at all running some advertisements. Okay, anyway, so right now I had given a search term that is golf products in India. Okay, so when I'm viewing the results, right, so the top four will be for the advertisements. Okay, the top four will be for the advertisements. And when it comes to four, Google might show two, Google might show three, or Google might show four. Okay, the maximum is four at this point. These four top results will be allocated for the advertisements. Okay, and towards the left, towards the right hand side, what we will be having is the sponsored advertisement. So the sponsored advertisement is something which the e-commerce platform of a website has been integrated from the database. It will directly extract the products, and it will extract the price ranges and details page link, and it will be populating in the right hand side segment. Okay, so this is what we have it as a product sponsor list from Google result. And this one is extension, so you can leave these parts. So these are some extensions that I had implemented, like related keywords, and people also search for. So these things are not important for us, it will not be shown usually in your system. Okay, so apart from this four advertisements, apart from this four Google advertisements, what we will be having is, the knowledge panel. So this knowledge panel is something where if the Google considers that this website or this information is highly relevant or exactly relevant for the keyword that we are searching for, then it will be showing in the knowledge panel. Okay, the featured knowledge panel. And this will not be enabled for all the searches, but it will be enabled for few of the search results which Google feels that the information is exact. Usually it will be shown for the knowledge segment, not for the buyer intent. Like people when searching for how to create a cricket quote, or like how to create own vehicle, for an example. So these kind of searches, those are knowledge intent. So for those knowledge intent keywords, Google will use this knowledge panel to show to the audience, and sometimes of course to the buyer intent as well. Okay, that's great. So then after this knowledge panel, what we will be having is the organic results. Okay, organic results. So every page will have 10 organic results. Okay, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 in the sense one is in the knowledge panel. So totally we have 10. So we'll be having 10 organic results. Then after the organic results, we'll be having four rows which will be allocated for the advertisement. Okay, four results which will be allocated for the advertisements. Maximum is four numbers. Okay, I will write you the same thing here. So we'll be having 10 organic results. Then we'll be having uh, four ads at top placement, and then four ads bottom placement, right? So these are the results, and apart from this we'll be having a knowledge panel. Then we will be having a map result. Then we'll be having a sponsored product ads. So apart from this, we have some news panel and all the blah 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 etc. things, which not so critical for the segment that we are going to see right now. When we are going to search for these particular keywords, gold products in India, we'll be having, as I had already told you, we'll be having advertisements. Then it is organic results that you'll be getting. Okay, so let us explore how the results has been aligned and what are the factors that will affect when people are searching for a particular search term. Okay, that's great. So, before we are going to explore how the results are going to be populated for a particular search term, let us see how this particular search term is so important for us. Okay, by exploring some options like how much searches are happening for this gold products in India, we can able to get to an idea that this much of audience are searching for this searching for the search term. So that if we list our website in this particular search result, then we will be getting a lot of clicks. So it is a study, and we had got a result from the study that people whoever is searching for a particular search term, they all will be landed around 70% of the people will be landed in the top three organic results. Okay, and remaining 30% of the audience, they are the one who will go to the fourth result, fifth result, sixth result, and to the next page, and etc. Okay, so usually, for a powerful search term, it will have a search volume of around 1500 to 10,000 to 12,000. Okay, 1500 to 10,000, 12,000 searches every month. And for this particular, only one single term. Okay, so there might be a lot of other terms as well. Like for an example, like golf products in India, they might search in other variant like golf product in India. So the golf product in India will have a separate search volume. Okay, so whatever the, so like for an example, here we have something else like golf stand bags India. So this is also relevant. So this will have a separate search term. Okay, so each and every search term will have a range from 1400 to 14,000 search results, and even something sometimes more if it is short tail keywords. And by this way we can able to understand if we rise our web page or a website to a powerful keyword, so we can able to ensure that we can able to get a high volume of searches through organic result. Okay, high volume of searches through organic result. Okay, so let me to show you some example as well. I'm going to explore alexa.com. So alexa.com is one website through which you can able to identify how the competitors are doing, how the competitors are competitive website is getting traffic from, and how they are ranking when it comes to traffic. Okay, so I can able to deploy any of the competitors in your segment, or might be any of the websites that comes to my mind. So if you have any website to be explored, you can let me know. If you have any competitors website for your industry or something, if you want me to explore, we can use those website names and we can explore. If you have anything, you can anything in your mind, you can let me know. Okay, so right now I'm going to explore the Amazon.com. Okay, so what we have here is this site. Uh, okay, so these are the competitors for Amazon.com, eBay.com. I don't know how the Facebook.com had came. Anyway, Reddit.com similar. Okay, these are similar pages which are having audience overlap. So the competitors are the eBay.com and Reddit.com, Walmart.com, and Wikipedia.org. I don't know how this Wikipedia.org came. Anyway, okay, so these are the top keywords through which Amazon.com is getting the traffic from. Top keywords by traffic which Amazon is getting. So here the people who are searching for Amazon is 2.1, and then Amazon Prime is 1.49 percentage, and etc. Usually, a company which is not doing high of paid promotional activities, they'll be having a higher search traffic for the particular search term, something like 30 percentage, 40 percentage. They'll be getting it only through the organic, because they might not be running some promotional advertisements, or they might not be getting any direct traffic. Okay, when it comes to Amazon, the organic search traffic received through the keywords like Amazon Prime, and Amazon Smile, Museum, etc., were highly limited. So it might have a cumulative of around 2.1 and etc of totally around 4 percentage or 5 percentage. So only 4 percentage or 5 percentage of traffic comes through organic search result, and the remaining completely they are extracting through the paid search results, or they might be extracting through the direct people who are visiting the Amazon.com. Okay, so these are the few keywords that Amazon is getting the organic traffic from. So New York Times bestsellers, Best Buy, PlayStation Store. So these are the few keywords through which Amazon is getting the traffic. Okay, so here what we have is traffic sources. Amazon.com gets a huge amount of traffic through Wikipedia.org. So even I have to explore why it is getting a lot of traffic through the Wikipedia.org. And then This is completely organic. So here we can able to see this is a search result which comes through organic. Then what we have is a social referral and direct. These are paid versions when we want to explore it. So Wikipedia, it has highest number. Then it comes from Rediff.com. Okay. Competitive analysis, right? Okay, I'm sorry. I think I had misspelled percentage overall site traffic from each channel. Okay, so I think the highest competitor is Wikipedia.org in organic search result. Then comes Rediff, then comes Reddit, and then Walmart, then Amazon.com will be in the position of. That means it has a share of 28% from the organic search results, and then eBay takes 19%. Okay. Okay, so Alexa ranks 14th position in the total, global searches, which is happening in the what to say internet global traffic. We all know that the highest ranking is for Google. Okay, so the large amount of traffic is goes to Google. Okay, from there it will start, and every website will be provided with the ranking, the Alexa ranking. This ranking will says that how much of traffic that website is getting when compared to the complete global website. So like each and every website will have a ranking. So Alexa has a ranking of 14th. 14th means it's really huge when it has a big competitive industry in this globe. So Alexa, I mean Amazon.com ranks 14th position. So that means it has a lot of huge traffic which is which they are driving it each and every day for this Amazon.com through promotions or might be through organic or through direct. That is different, but ultimately it has a huge amount of global traffic for this website. Okay, fine then. So let us come to our chapter. So we had seen like how much organic traffic this particular website is getting through the keyword searches that whatever that is going to whatever that are whatever the organic traffic that they are going to get from the keywords. Okay, so let us say for an example, when a website which is called amazon.in is ranking at the top position. Okay, so whatever the total search volume that is available for golf products in India, majority of the shares will go to the amazon.in. Then it goes to the evergreen golfindia.com. Then it goes to the gulfoy.com. Okay, and after this three result, the rest of the most of the as I had already told you, 70% of the audience they will be exploring in the top three results. Okay, and rest of the people will go to the other options like Gulf Dunia and etc etc. Okay, so let us see what is the total search volume for this Gulf products in India. Okay, so I will be using a Google keyword planner to identify how many people are searching for a particular keyword each and every month. Okay, so I will be mentioning the same keyword tool here. Yes, Daniel. So how can I help you? You can ask your questions now. Daniel, you can ask your question. Okay, Daniel, I didn't hear anything from you. I think you might unmute your mic and you can ask your questions if you have anything. So let me to continue with how to get the total number of keywords through Google Keyword Planner. Okay, and then we will find it out how the results are available for those particular search term in Google. Okay, so I'm going to use the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so Google Keyword Planner is one tool. It is a one tool which is available with Google Ads platform. So it is a tool which is available for free for the Google Ads platform. Okay, so once we create a Google Ads account. After creating a Google Ads account, the all the Google products has the same username and password. If you create a Gmail account and using the same Gmail account access, you can able to log into Google Ads. You can also able to log into Google Analytics, and also you can able to log into Google My Business, or even for this webinar. Okay, so all the Google products will have the same username and login. So by using the same username and login, you can also log into Google Ads. So once you logged into the Google Ads account, you can able to access this keyword planner. Okay, the simple way is just to go and search it. Go and search for keyword planner in Google. You'll be having the results. Choose the top option, top keyword option, and if you already signed in, just go to keyword planner. It will ask you to choose a Google Ads account, and if there is no Google Ads account, just use this new Google Ad account and create a new Google Ad. Okay, it's simple, just creating some new Google Ad account. Just give your name, like name, phone number, and etc. Then that's all. This Google Ad account will be created. Okay, so I'm going to choose the one which is already there, and the rest of the things were in setup, so we will leave that one which is active. I'm going to use that Google Ad account. After choosing the Google Ad account, it will directly take us to the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so Google Keyword Planner. So in this Google Keyword Planner, we have multiple options. One is discover new keywords, and the other one is get search volume and forecast. So discover new keywords are the option through which we can able to explore all the relevant keywords which are related to the search term that we are looking for. Okay, so whatever the keywords that are available relevant, because everything we can't able to bring it from our mind, right? So this discover new keywords will bring all the keywords which has higher search volume for a particular segment that we are searching for. Okay, we will be exploring that as well. And the next one is get search volume and forecast. So this search volume and forecast is the one that we are discussing till now. So through which we can able to extract exactly get what is the total number of searches happening for a particular search keyword each month, on an average of 12 months, on an average of 24 months, or something like what is for the last month. So those things we'll be getting from this particular segment, that is get search volume and forecast. Okay, so what we will do is first we will explore how to check for a how to check a search volume for a keyword. Then after once it is done, we will come to this discover new keyword option, and we will try to explore what are the other keywords which are related to the industry that we can able to extract. Okay, so let us explore this search volume and forecast now. So right now I have the option to upload a file, otherwise I can able to paste a huge amount of keywords. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste only this keyword. Okay, only the one keyword that we are looking for right now, which is Google Gulf products in India. Okay, so that's great. So the first thing, which is forecast, the forecast will give you the information about how much clicks we will be getting and what's the cost per click if you are running an advertisement for this particular keyword. And these are not so important at this point. What we have to check it out is this historical metrics. Okay, historical metrics. So from this, we will be getting the details on how much search volume is happening for each and every month for this particular keyword. So historical metrics. Okay, so in India, I'm surprised to see that in India, uh, I could not able to see any search metrics for golf products in India. Even I'm highly surprised. How could this be possible? Uh, from May 2019 to April 2020, and location is India, and golf products in India. Okay, so but this is the fact that golf products in India are is having a lesser search results. Let me to check for the last month. No search results, no average search result. Let us do one thing.
But what if we search golf shops in India?
Golf shops in India. Of course,
Yeah.
Samir, we will do that as alternate. Okay, so let us check for the keyword golf shops in India. I think in India we will do. Okay, we will do the two keyword options. One is we will go for simply Gulf shops, and then one is Gulf shops in India. Okay. Okay, so there are some good impressions and cost clicks were available. So hopefully we will be having some metrics. Of course, we have some metrics. That's great. So I had given the last month. So instead, I let me to give for last 12 months. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So yes, Samir. So we have some search monthly search results for this particular keyword, which is Gulf shops in India. So people who are searching for Gulf shops in India, the location I had given as India here. So Gulf shops in India, it is of totally okay. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. I'm just receiving a call. Hello. Hello. Hi, Sandesh. I'm good. I'm good. Happy to get a call from you. That's why I just picked it up immediately. Actually, I'm in a webinar now. Today is Sunday, no, so I'm in a webinar. Yes, yes, yes. Shall I? I'll be free after 5 o'clock, Sandesh. I thought of speaking with you. Yes. Oh, is it okay? Just if you can able to say in 2 minutes, I can able to hear. They are waiting actually. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, that's great. Okay. 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 Uh huh. Of course, Sandesh, I'll be happy to. But what is the timing? Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay, that's great, Sandesh. But my situation is I can't able to come away till 5 o'clock. They are coming for the paid workshop. That's why. Yes. Sure, Sandesh. Sure. I will call you back after that time. Okay, then that's great. Thank you, Sandesh. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, hi team. So sorry for the call for the interruption. Okay, so where we had left is Gulf shops in India. So the total search results. Let me to check whether the screen is sharing or not. Okay, done. It's sharing. That's great. So uh, the people who are searching for the Gulf shops in India has a total search volume of 50 searches on an average. On the complete average of last 12 months, 50 people are searching for Gulf shops in India. Gulf shops in India. So that means when 50 people are searching for the keyword Gulf shops in India, okay. So when 15 people are searching for these Gulf shops in India, if we had listed in the top three, we can able to ensure that approximately 30 number of searches that we can drive it to our website. Okay. I mean, 30 percentage of traffic will be there in the top three. So we can ensure that 20 people will be coming every month if we rank in the top three result for this particular keyword. Okay. So 20 organic people we can able to generate through this keyword if we had placed in the top three result. And usually monthly searches, which is ranking, having some ranking of 50, 200, 300, 400, or even 1000, it is much easier for us to rank our website for these keywords because the keyword search volume is less, the competition will also be less. Here you can able to see the organic, I'm sorry, this is a paid competition, but still the competition will also be less usually when we are having a search term that is having a lower search volume. Okay, so that if we create something, some new website we have, or we have some basic domain authorities there, if we want to rank up for this particular page, we can easily rank it up if the search volume is highly less. Okay, done. So we will see how to do the activities of optimizing the SEO process and everything. Okay, so Gulf shops in India, it has 50 number of average searches. So last month, which is on April, it has a total search of 80 total searches. Among 80 total searches, 61 searches happened through mobile, and the remaining approximately 20 searches which had happened through the other platforms like desktop or might be tablet. Okay, so totally 80 searches had happened for the last month. Okay, and before that month we have a total searches of 260 searches on March, and during February there is a total search of 310. Okay, and rest of the months the average search lies between the same, which is 310, 320, and etc, etc, etc. Okay, and apart from, okay, I think this metric will show us as a cumulative search result for Gulf shops and the Gulf shops in India, I think. Okay, let us do one thing. We will explore only for one keyword. So right now we will explore Gulf shops rather than Gulf shops in India. So Gulf shops, we have some higher search results, higher search volume than in Gulf shops in India. Okay, so for Gulf shops, we have 210. So that means last month we had received 70 total number of searches. April we had received 70 number of total number of searches, and March we had received 210, and February we had received, what happened? Yes. And during February, we had received 260, and January, we had received 260, and something like November, October, we had received some average of 260 total number of searches which are happening for this Gulf shops keyword, which is in India. Okay. So let me to change the location. So, Samir, where is the location that you are operating? Which country, or which, I'm sorry, which state or which city?
I operate from Dehradun, but all my customers are in other parts of India actually.
Okay.
So mostly army regiments, and also they're scattered all over, even
Okay.
Bangalore, even Delhi, and all those places.
Okay. Okay, that's great. That means you mostly operate through online activities.
Yeah, primarily all online.
Okay, then. Okay, that's great. So let me do check for Bengaluru. So right now I'm searching only for Bangalore. So in Bangalore, the last month search is 10, and before that month is 20. Okay, on an average of 30 searches happens in Bangalore. Okay, so the in the total India it is 210. So 30 from Bangalore. Okay. Similarly, using this keyword planner, we can also accurately identify if from 5 kilometers when people are searching for this from this shop, how many people are searching for, and based on that we can do the targeting while we are going to create a Google search advertisement, so that we can target only the people who are searching from 5 kilometers from our shop and who are looking for the Gulf shops. Okay, so if the search volume is high, we can definitely get some good quality leads from those kind of search volume. When they are, we can able to say that at least from this thousand number of people searches who from India, we might have some 30 or 40 number of people who will be searching from the particular zone where we are operating. Okay, done then. Okay, so right now we had seen how the search volume, classified into. So right now people are searching for Gulf shops from India. Okay, and there are some 260 people who are searching for Gulf shops. So that is why the advertisements were also high. And right now, we have the search result, which is organic search result. The first organic search result is evergreengulfindia.com. Okay, evergreengulfindia.com. And second, what we have is the Gulf Warehouse Online Gulf Store, tgw.com. Okay, and pinhigh.in, that is Pinhigh Performance Fitter. Okay, so there's an explanation, pinhigh.in. So these are the top three results which we had received for the particular search term, which is Gulf shops. Gulf shops, when people are searching from India, okay. So let us see for what are the factors that will affect for a website to be listed in the top result of a, to be listed in the first page of a keyword search, or to be listed in the top three result of a keyword search. Okay, so let me to explain. There are two things which will impact a particular web page of a website to be ranked for a keyword search when they are doing in Google. So the two things are, Okay, that's great. So the one thing is on-page optimization, and the next is off-page optimization. Okay, so the on-page optimization will have the 40% impact. Okay, but that's a spell error for on-packed. Okay, so 40% of impact will be there for the on-page optimization, and 60% of impact will be there for off-page optimization. Okay. Okay, so let me to explain what is on-page optimization. So on-page optimization means the things which we are going to make the changes that are done on our own website. Okay, and dear team, dear audience, if I'm going a bit slow, you can let me know so that I can move a little bit faster. Because I just want to ensure that everyone understands the things that we are discussing right now. So 40% of impact will be there for the on-page optimization. Okay, so what is on-page optimization? So on-page optimization means the things that we are going to make changes in our web pages of our website by changing the title of the website, by changing the text versions in the website, by changing the some of the images file name in our website, adding some images. These are some correction measures that we do it in our own web page of our website, by which we will be making the website ranking from some n number of position to n number of position. Suppose if we are ranking in, for an example, 60th position, and we had made this on-page optimization for a particular keyword, immediately the ranking will improve. Immediately the ranking will improve once the Google has detected the website changes. So that means within
Sir,
just a minute. Yes, Daniel, I will come.
yeah.
Within some 1 week, we will be able to optimize the particular web page to the keyword search result. For if we make some on-page optimization changes, done, right? So Daniel, yes.
Yeah. Sir, how do we see the rating or the ranking of the website? How it is ranked?
Okay, so of course, good question. So we can use some external tools through which we can identify the ranking of a website. Okay, and while we are going to learn on longer run, we can able to understand the search results will not be always in the same position whenever people are searching from different places. When people are searching from Bangalore, the search result will be in the sixth position. When people are searching from Hyderabad, it will be in third position, for an example. Okay, but ultimately
Okay.
but that happens, but we don't need to worry about it. We can't able to exactly predict for which person which ranking it has been shown, but we can get an average and exact results. We will be using the platform which is called Search Console, Google Search Console. And Google Search Console is a tool, it's a platform offered by Google at free of cost. And through this Google Search Console, we will be monitoring which ranking our web page has been ranked for a particular keyword. Okay, so what is the average position our website has been web page has been ranking for a particular keyword, and how many impressions and how many clicks we had received through the search result that we had listed out. Okay, let me to type the same, and we shall definitely see how this Google Search Console works. If I forgot, just recall me so that I will open and show you how this search console can show us the result. Okay, done.
Okay.
Yes, Daniel. So let us continue with the off-page optimization. So 40% of impact will be on the on-page optimization, and the 60% of impact will be from the off-page optimization. So what is off-page optimization? So off-page optimization are the factors which are away from the website, which are away from the changes that we are going to do it on the website. Like for an example, our website name and our website link will be found on other websites which are available in the online web world. Suppose for an example, let me to say as an example, in Flipkart.com or in Amazon.com, we have a we have a link mentioned in their product page, and from that link, that link from their product page, we have a link to our product page. Okay, so that means we are having a backlink. We call it as backlink. Okay, we call it as backlink because it is available on other websites, and from other websites we are getting a link. It is not about traffic. It is not about the traffic that we are going to generate from the website, but it is about the link which is present in the other website. Okay, if our website web page link is available in other web pages of other web pages of in the other web pages which are available on the web, that means we will be getting a single backlink through which our score will get increased. Okay, our trust score will get increased. And these kind of factors, this is one of the off page optimization factor that will impact highly for our website ranking. Okay, suppose for an example, each and every website, that each and every website has a Alexa ranking. Okay, Alexa traffic ranking, right? So similarly, each and every website in this web has a domain authority. Okay, has a domain authority for each and every website. For each and every web page of a website, we have a page authority. Okay, so let me to mention in a short form, which is domain authority, we call it as DA score, and which is provided for a particular website. Okay, and page authority is a page score which is provided for a particular web page of a website. Okay, so this page authority of a website will be a combination of how the page does getting the link from other websites, and how the page is having a brand establishment from other websites. Along with that, what is the score of the domain authority? So based on that, the page authority score will be deployed, page authority score will be provided. For an example, if a website is having a domain authority of 70, okay, if a domain authority of a website has 70, and if a new page in that website has been created, immediately the new page will have a domain authority of 30. So this domain authority will have a range from 0 to 100. Okay. So domain authority score and page authority score will have a ranking from, I mean, a score value from 0 to 100. So if a domain authority score of a website is 70 or 80, and from there, if we create a new page, the new page will have a domain authority. I mean, the new page will have a page authority of 30. Okay, and sometimes even this page authority will go to 90 or 95, because when people are highly interested in that particular page of a domain authority, so that page will have a higher ranking. Okay, so this will
So
impact.
there is a way. There is a
Yes.
way of viewing that. Like
Yes.
each page will have. Okay.
Yes, Daniel, we have the option to view domain authority of each and every page. And along with that, we can also get how many backlinks we are obtained from other websites, and from which location, which page we are getting those links, those data we can able to find it out. Okay, we will be finding out with the help of the tool which is Moz tool, and there are other tools which are available to find the domain authority, but the popular one is Moz tool. Okay, so we will do one
Boss.
thing. We will be exploring the chapter of how to find this domain authority and how to find this page authority, and then we will be exploring about how to do the discover using the discover keyword option. How we can able to find out how we can able to find out the lot of other keywords which are related to our business using this discover new keyword option. So these things we will be having after the small break, which is by 12 o'clock. Hopefully we can take a break from 11:30 to 12 right now, so all can able to go for a tea break. And once you all came back, we will start with the session on the other elements, like as I had told you, to explore the other options, as like keyword discovery option, and how to check it with the Moz tool. Is that fine?
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. We will meet back by 12 o'clock. Awesome. Thank you.